Hello my friends, welcome to
Hello
my
my
channel.
friends, today I'm bringing you a delicious recipe. Crispy chicken with corn flakes. It's very easy, cheap and fast. You need 1 kilogram of bread imported in slices, 2 cups of corn flakes, 1 egg, 1 cup of wheat flour or corn flour, 3 tablespoons of milk, herbs you can use garlic, onion, paprika, oregano, anything, and little salt. Guys, it's necessary crumbs. You need a consistency like a flour. Add a little salt and mix. Now break a 1 egg and add 3 tablespoons of milk and mix. The chicken is better if you can use slices. Put little salt and herbs like oregano, onion, garlic, paprika, everything. Okay guys, use the frying pan and put little oil because it's necessary oil for the chicken. My friends, the steps are very easy. Put the chicken in flour, then brush it with the egg and finally put in your cornflakes. Guys, repeat this with each slice. When the oil is hot, add your chicken. Be careful. If it's your first time in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. You are welcome. Alright guys, I will turn my chicken to brown the other side. It looks very crispy and the smell is very delicious. Finally, this is ready. I am so hungry and my chicken is very crispy. You can share this recipe with your family or your friends. The most important moment has arrived. It's time to eat. I will try this one. I don't have words to describe. It's very delicious and crispy. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. I see you again soon.
Enjoy and subscribe. Las huellas de Mile.